About 5 years ago, this is when I first started learning about the wealth manifestation. And honestly, I was so overwhelmed by all the methods out there. But the truth is, all you need is actually a simple 3-step formula from this book, The Secret, which will help you to manifest the money and abundance you desire in just 30 days or less. Hi, my name is Amy Lin and welcome back to my channel. In this channel, we focus on all things manifestation to help you to create the life you desire. And today we're talking about how to manifest money using the simple 3-step formula. Ask, believe, and receive, which actually originates from the Bible. Let's start with the first step, which is ask. To manifest anything, including money, the first step is always to clearly identify what it is that you want so you can ask the universe with intention. You see, asking is not about begging or wishful thinking. It's actually about focusing your energy on your desire, knowing that you are ready to receive it, and confidently communicate that to the universe. So in this step, I want you to write down exactly how much money you would like to manifest within the next 30 days. And you want to be specific and use in the present tense as if it's already done. Let me give you an example. You can say something like, I'm so happy and grateful now that I have $1,000 in my bank account. Or you can say something like, I'm so happy and grateful now that I have manifested $10,000 unexpectedly. Or whatever currency that you have. Okay? And when you say it, you want to feel the truth of these words as you say them. You want to speak with confidence and conviction. And you're not asking from a place of lack or desperation. You're actually declaring it as if this is already your reality. Okay? Let's go ahead and anchor this belief with one of my favorite affirmations. Repeat after me. I am a money magnet and money flows to me easily and effortlessly. The more you align your energy with abundance and trust, the easier it becomes for you to attract what you desire. So that's the first step. Now that you have declared to the universe what you want, what's next? Second step is belief. And it is the most crucial step in the whole manifestation process because it is often the hardest for most people. You see, belief is about knowing that what you have asked for is already yours. Not just, oh, I hope the money is coming or I wish I have this amount of money. No, it is an absolutely knowing without a shadow of a doubt. As Neville Goddard puts it, as living in the wish fulfilled. Which means to believe is to live in your imagination as though your desire is already done. Because the truth is, in your imagination, it is done. Well, I know some of you might be thinking, well, how do I believe? This is where you want to apply this process that I like to call the money consciousness activation. This process helps you to fill your mind with thoughts of money and abundance, which will align you as a vibrational match to the money that you want to manifest. Because when you become a vibrational match to your desires, you naturally attract them into your life. So start by visualizing the amount of money that you wrote down in the first step, in the asking step, whether it's $1,000, $5,000, whatever it is, okay? You want to focus entirely on the end result, not on how the money will come. You want to see in the money in your imagination, whether it's a form of a check or actual cash or a direct deposit into your bank account. Then you want to feel the emotions of already having it. You want to ask yourself this question. How would I feel if this money was already mine? You probably feel happy, you probably feel grateful, right? And allow those emotions to fully take over, okay? Fully embody those emotions. And another way to stay aligned with this energy of abundance is to reframe how you see your bills. Instead of viewing them as expenses going out, you want to see them as signs of abundance. You want to shift your focus to, I'm so happy and grateful that money is coming back to me multiplied. In fact, this is exactly what Rhonda Burns, the author of The Secret, shared in an interview that she did. She revealed that whenever she received bills in the mail, she would imagine them as checks instead. But the truth is that sometimes it does take some time for your manifestation to show up, like money, to appear in your 3D world. And this period is what we know as the gestation period. It is like planting a seed into your soil. It needs time to grow. And during this period, it's very easy for people to have doubts and worry to start creeping in. You might find yourself wondering, how is this money going to come? Or where is the money? You start to look for it. But remember, the how is not your job. That's the universe's responsibility. Your role is to stay in alignment and avoid introducing opposing thoughts like worry or doubt. Because doubt blocks your manifestation from coming, but faith activates it. I want you to think of it like placing an order on Amazon.com. You don't question how it's going to arrive. You just know that when you place your order, it's going to show up on your doorstep, maybe the 2 days, maybe the same day. You trust that it's already on its way. And the same applies here. Once you have asked the universe clearly and declared what it is that you want, that's it. It's already on its way. It's already yours. Let's go ahead and anchor this belief with the affirmation. I am a money magnet, and I trust the universe to bring me what I desire. And that brings us to the final step, which is to receive. And receive is about opening yourself up to accept what you have asked for, trusting that it will come in the perfect way and at the perfect divine timing. This step is where you align the vibration of gratitude. You see, gratitude shifts you into the frequency of already having your desires, which will accelerate your manifestation from coming. Being in a state of gratitude is so powerful because it puts you in harmony with the universe. As Rhonda Burns, the author of The Secret, says, money doesn't bring happiness, but happiness brings money. And I love that. This is why the statement, I'm so happy and grateful now, is so impactful, because it allows you to embody the abundance now for it to attract more of it into your life. At the same time, it's also important to take inspired actions. You see, the universe often delivers through people, opportunities, and circumstances. So be open to receive different means of acting on intuitive nudges or opportunities that come your way. And by maintaining an attitude of gratitude and trusting the process, you allow the universe to deliver what you have asked for with ease. So you want to be happy and abundant now, and then watch the money and abundance flow effortlessly into your life in no time. There you have it, the 3 simple step formula to manifest money and abundance in less than 30 days. Now, if you're ready to take this to the next level, I want to invite you to join our 3-day money manifestation challenge, where I will guide you step by step to apply this formula in a practical and powerful way, so you don't have to do this alone. Just go ahead and click the link in the description below to sign up. It's completely free, and you can join a community of like-minded individuals like yourself who are also ready to manifest money and abundance into their lives. Also, don't forget to like this video and share with someone who needs to hear this message. And subscribe for more tips on manifestation to create the life you desire. And if you're into money manifestation, I recommend next watch my money manifestation playlist.